Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to make Google Docs read your text loud. So let's start to first open your Google Chrome browser and go to the right hand side and click on the Google Apps icon. And here just open your Google Docs, just click on the Google Docs documents and you can see a new tab, the Google Docs is open. Okay, wait for the few seconds. You can start with the new document and just scroll down. You can use your recent documents here also. Okay. Here you can see I already opened my Google Docs documents. Okay. If you want to hear this document, just turn on your read loud option. For that, go to the tools tab and here one option audio. Just click on it. Click on the listen to this tab. Latest news and developments in meditation. Listen recent studies on meditation and mental health. Current research continues to explore the profound impact of meditation on mental health. If you want to stop that, just click on this option to stop it. Okay, if you want to play again, just click on it. Recent finding. So that's it. This is a way you can use the read loud option in Google Docs. This is so helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.